Hi everyone, I'm Wayland and welcome to our Spotlight series. Today we're taking a look at the DCQ skimmer from AquaMaxx. The AquaMaxx line of aquarium products have stood out due to their quality construction and handy features. And the recent DCQ line of skimmers is no different. If we look at the original Q Series skimmers, they were a great fit for cluttered sumps as the slim design had a small footprint while maximizing filtration. The DCQ continues this trend of efficiency while also packing in some nice quality of life updates. There are two skimmers in the DCQ line. The smaller DCQ2, which is rated for a 250-gallon light bioload or used with a 130-gallon heavy bioload, while its bigger brother, the DCQ3, is rated for a 420-gallon light bioload or a 240-gallon heavy bioload. As most of us in the hobby know, the true heart of a protein skimmer is the pump. And unfortunately, not all pumps are made the same. A high-quality pump is really needed to make sure your skimmer will run efficiently and will continue to run efficiently for a long time. In recent times, protein skimmer manufacturers have started using DC pumps, and this has been a great development. DC pumps possess a great deal of benefits over traditional AC pumps, including better energy efficiency and greater control. So if high-quality pumps are good and DC pumps are great, then a high-quality DC pump is the holy grail of skimmer parts. The DCQ skimmer has used the Shark 2000, which takes its root from the classic Sichi pumps. Within the pump, it has a needle wheel impeller that chops up bubbles into mini micro bubbles. Because of the small micro bubbles, there is high contact time and surface area for the protein to stick to the surface of the bubbles. This leads to higher efficiency and thicker, darker skimming. While the pump runs, it draws air through the venturi line and from the silencer, which ultimately reduces noise. The amount of air drawn can be fine-tuned just by rotating the silencer. Over the top of the Shark pump is a bubble plate and diffuser that channels and directs microbubbles upward. To properly tune the skimmer, the first step is to simply make sure that the water level is at the correct height during installation. Doing so will start you off at a good head pressure for your pump. When it comes to the DCQ2 and 3, the recommended water level is 8 to 9 inches. From there, run the skimmer for a week or two and see how your bubbles are reacting. There are a couple scenarios that you can end up with depending on how quickly your bubbles are popping and how far up the skimmer neck they are making it. All this may seem complicated, but thankfully it's made much simpler through the easy-to-use pump controller. To keep it as simple as possible, the controller only features 3 buttons: a power button, a button to increase the flow rate, and a button to decrease the flow rate. It also features a 0 to 10 volt port for third-party controllers. Some other quality of life features that it has are a memory backup to save your settings if the power goes out, and a run-dry shut-off to protect your pump if the water level drops too low. The DCQ maintains the classic AquaMaxx body shape, which helps the water to move in a laminar flow pattern. Simply put, this means that the water particles flow in parallel paths with each layer moving smoothly across adjacently. The result of laminar flow is a low turbulence water stream that will move more efficiently through the skimmer, maximizing contact time and the amount of bubbles that will make it to the collection cup without bursting mid-column. These skimmer bodies also maintain the small footprint that the classic Q Series had. The DCQ2 coming in at 6.7 by 9.5 inches with a height of 19.3. And the DCQ3 coming in at 8.7 by 11.5 inches with a height of 22 inches. The lid of the collection cup features a very handy acrylic dome. Rather than having the bubbles simply hit a flat top, popping them and depositing some of the waste onto the lid or neck, the dome helps to channel them over the neck and down into the cup for easy removal. The cup can be removed easily with a slight turn and has a handle for easy transport to a sink. For those of us who would rather not take the cup off, waste can be removed via the silicone drain line on the bottom. Let us know what features you like about the DCQ series and also which products you'd like us to shine a spotlight on in the future. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more reviews on upcoming products. As always, Thank you for tuning in, and let's build a better aquarium together.